In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to a smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which brand of TV you have, as long as your TV has smart capabilities, you will be able to connect your S24 Ultra and mirror your screen. So anything that is being presented on your S24 Ultra's screen will be mirrored over to the smart TV. For this video, I chose to use the Sony Bravia as an example, because like I said, as long as your TV manufacturer has smart capabilities, you will be able to get this done, so the brand doesn't matter. First, on your S24 Ultra, swipe down from the top and look for Smart View. If you don't see it here on these menus, then it is going to be right underneath of the brightness control available here. So all that you have to do is locate Smart View. If you don't see it here at the bottom, then swipe between the pages and find the option to add new buttons here. Once you find the option to add new buttons, Smart View will be among the options. This should be available for your S24 Ultra. So choose Smart View and immediately you will be able to mirror your screen to other devices. If you don't see your Smart TV here, this is because both the Smart TV and your Samsung device must be on the same Wi-Fi network. So if needed, go over to the settings on your S24 Ultra, double check the Wi-Fi settings and ensure that the TV is also connected to the same network. As long as both devices are sharing the same Wi-Fi network, the smart TV will be discoverable by the S24 Ultra, so all that you have to do is select it, and immediately upon choosing the TV from this list, your screen will be mirrored over. You can control this broadcast, so you can go into the settings and you can stop it at any point. It is easy to do and it should work natively for every single S24 Ultra regardless of the region. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to Sony TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.